Let's take a look at a technology that we will be using in an active learning class that would be in the Fieldhouse, and that's VIA by Kramer. Now, this is actually linked to an Innovations in Teaching Award that the University Teaching Center will be putting on this summer. And the purpose of this video is to show you some options and features of the VIA Kramer that actually is going to help create that active learning space and, most importantly, engage the students. Let's take a look at some of the features this has to offer. So what we're doing, we're taking Fieldhouse 1220 and we're going to turn it into an active learning space. Now, as you can see, we have superimposed some video screens, some whiteboards, and we're going to have the Kramer also installed so that you're able to collaborate with the students. Now, as we look at the interface of the Kramer, it is quite unique. We see we have three top navigation tools. We have features, we have step-in, and we have participants. Now in features, we have some unique tools that we're able to utilize in the classroom. First, we have multimedia. Multimedia is you can load documents or videos within your Kramer and show it in your presentation. We have the cloud, which allows you to store documents within Kramer. Then we also have Enable Control, which is a neat option when, say for instance, you have an Excel spreadsheet on the main screen in the classroom and you want different students to be able to participate in putting information into there. They're able to collaborate on the same document, which makes it very unique. Then we have the whiteboard. The whiteboard helps you to annotate any kind of documentation that you have. Followed by that, we have file transfer, which you can file transfer any kind of documents that you want to with other participants within the group. Then we have start collaboration, which this enables up to 4 images on the main screen in the classroom, which if there's different groups within your classroom, you're able to put on the screen up to 4 groups at the same time, which makes it a very powerful tool. And the unique thing about this is the Kramer can display cross-platform, all devices, no matter if it's Android or Apple, it kind of encompasses everything. And the last feature we have here is chat, where you're able to chat with one another within the Kramer system. Next, we have Step In. This allows the instructor to wirelessly display any given participant's screen onto the main screen for all to see. And lastly, we have participants. Now, participants looks like this. So all your participants will be listed on the screen here, and you're able to display the status. So as an instructor, I could click on, say, Mike's laptop here and display it on the main screen. I want to see what their group's working on. I can see what's going on, or I can chat with them, or I can share something with them. So it's a very unique way to be able to display what each group is working on. Here we see an example of displaying up to 4 images. As we see here, we have a laptop, a Dell laptop, a Mac, a phone, and a tablet. And these 4 images are actually displayed on the main screen. So in a classroom, if you have 4 different groups, you can display the 4 different groups and compare their work and contrast in the same setting. So that makes it a very powerful tool to be able to use. Now this is just a snapshot of what the Kramer can do. And we are excited to have a general purpose classroom that will have the purpose of having an active learning space that can engage students and that faculty can use in their course. The active learning class will have the Kramer installed. And if you apply and are awarded, your class will be scheduled in the room and you will have access to this technology.